am making cornbread. Now, this is going to be a double batch because we're having a big party tonight. Got my baking mix here. This is a sweet cornbread, so I'm using pancake mix, which is just fine. And then my cornmeal, not flour, and my sugar. An additional teaspoon of baking powder. My eggs. And my milk. Should have got a bigger bowl. Oh dear. This could be interesting. And then my butter. Now, before I pour in my melted butter, I'm going to start mixing it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. All right, got my pan. Okay, spread this all in our pan. Oops, I forgot to test to see if it had enough. Sure. Oh yeah. Yum. Okay, now we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Recipes in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 99. You can take a picture right here, take a picture of the QR code, or go to the link in the description below at livingonadime.com. Got my butter and my honey. I hope I have enough honey. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. Yum. Okay, I do not have enough honey, so I'm going to add a little bit of corn syrup to make it sweeter. All right, there's my honey butter. You can see my kids already dug in. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look delicious? Ooh, yum.